Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Ipsy. Cute little bag this month. And a couple of my items came on the outside, so I'll go ahead and go over those first. First one is a brush by Moda, and it's an angled blending brush. I like that it's neon orange, and even the tip of the brush is orange too. I think that's really cool. I also got two different full face sheet masks. This one says soothing, and this one says hydrating. I haven't tried this brand, so that's pretty fun. Papaya and lychee. Okay, cool. So let's take a look at what's inside. Make waves. Here comes the sun. Maximize your SPF. And so did they already quit giving us a list of products? They did that real briefly. Huh. Okay. So for a very short period of time, they listed out the products, which I liked, but it doesn't look like they did that this month. So the next item I got is Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. Kale, spinach, hyaluronic acid. Hopefully I said that right. Youth to the people. It's a very tiny jar, but it's glass, so I guess that's why they had it in the box. Doesn't really have a scent to it. So I've got that. And two more items inside here. The next one, sugar. It says blackout on it, so I assume that's just an eyeliner by Sugar. And the last one, Real Her Girl Power Moisturizing Lipstick. Not sure if it has a shade. There it is, Deep Mauve. So I'll go ahead and open that. Here's what the packaging looks like. Very tiny. It's not a full length of this, but it's kind of cute. And it's a nice shade. I think that'll go pretty well with my skin tone. So yeah, pretty good bag this month, especially the sheet masks and the brush and the full-size eyeliner and the moisturizing cream. So very cool. If you guys are interested in joining, I'll put my link below. I've been subscribed for years, so you can go back and see past unbaggings as well. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.